What's up, guys? This is my bike check. 2011 stolen wrap. Custom parts. Bunch of damn stickers. Okay, what we got here is a stock seat. It's just a standard stolen stock seat. I've got my PCS pedals. I bought those separately. My stolen mob cranks. Custom crank bolts, titaniums, just a cheap ass chain from Walmart. Stolen revolver back wheel. Having problems with it right now. It's making funny sounds. This is my stolen wrap frame. I don't know if you can see that. It says stolen. Eastern back bolts. Okay, Coalition Team grips. Purple kink bar ends. I got a bunch of Dance Comp stickers on my stolen wrap frame. Stolen Cyclone forks. Diamondback front wheel, because my front wheel used to be shit and I lost it, so Frankenstein valve cap. Duo front tire. It's pretty nice. I like it. The blue wall. Stolen convict stem and Odyssey lumberjack bars. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. And that's my custom stolen wrap.